Hi everyone, it's March 30th and me and Brandon are here to do a science project with you. It's called Sprouting on a Sponge. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut our sponge in half. You ready, Brandon?
Yes.
So we're going to cut our sponges in half so that we have 3 sponges. We want to have 3 because we're doing 3 types of seeds. So we have 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, Brandon, I have one bowl with water and one bowl without. I want you to take the sponges and put them in the bowl. Can you put them in the bowl with the water? So Brandon is putting them into the water, and he's going to make them wet. Can you turn it over? You don't want it too wet, but we do want it to be wet. So then we're going to take this and we're going to squeeze it out, just like this, just a little, and then we're going to put it in here. So put this in there and do the water. Okay? Go ahead, Brandon. Flip it over. Good job. Flip it over. Good. Put the other side in the water too, buddy. Like that. And then squeeze it. Can you squeeze it? Okay, so while he does that, I'm going to talk to you about the seeds that he chose. So the seeds that Brandon chose were marigolds. And sweet peppers.
I did it.
And zinnias.
I did it.
We bought them from the dollar store. They were, yep, that's where we got them, buddy. So we're going to put all our sponges in here.
To get more water.
Yeah. And if you want to, since this is plastic, I'm going to mark which each seeds are on each side using a marker. I'm going to put Z for zinnia for that one. And I'm going to put P for pepper for that one. And then I'm going to do M for marigold for this one. So we know which one's which when we're growing them. So first we're going to do the marigolds. Brandon, are you ready? So we have our spray bottle ready because we're going to spray the seeds when we put them on the sponge.
Sponge?
So we're going to open our pack. So Brandon, can you put the marigold seeds onto the yellow sponge for me? Brandon, can you? So pinch out the seeds and put them on there. Or you can dump them out, whatever is easiest for you. Only on your, there we go.
Seeds?
Yep, those are the seeds. All right, so we put the marigold seeds on. See?
Marigold seeds?
Yeah. So our marigold seeds are on there. Now I would like you to spray them, Brandon. So you're going to spray the marigold seeds. Ready? Do you need some help?
I got it.
You gotta spray the paper though. All right. So while he's spraying that, okay. So we're gonna spray to make it moist, just moist enough so that the seeds are a little wet. Okay. You want them to grow into the sponge. Okay. All right, so now which one are we going to do next? Are we going to do the peppers or the zinnias? You want to do the peppers? All right. Brandon, you ready? So this is the peppers. These are pepper seeds.
Pepper seeds?
Mm-hmm. Just like you find when we eat our peppers, the sweet peppers. Those are what we find inside. Okay? So here we're going to dump that onto our sponge. You could even use fresh seeds. You just would have to dry them. It makes it easier for me to just buy them dry. So, but if you have seeds around the house that you want to use, you can dry them and use them onto the sponge just like we do. Okay, and Mommy's trying to get all of them on there. We're messies. We made a mess. All right, you want to spray with me? Ready, set, squirt. All right, so we sprayed those, and now we're moving to the zinnias. You like the zinnias, right? Why do you like the zinnias, Brandon?
Because I do.
What colors are they?
Mine.
Okay, stay with me. Okay, so these are the zinnias. All right, give me your hand, Brandon. Let's see if you can.
Let's bring that.
Okay. My daughter's a little possessive of her kid chairs. All right, so Brandon, can I have your hand? All right, so put them on the sponge. Good. And then we're gonna spray it. Can you spray it for me?
No.
Oh, don't spray me. Silly. So that's what that looks like. So this is how we did our seeds. So that's our science project for today. And what we're going to do is throughout the week, we'll check on our seeds and see how they're growing. All right? Say thank you to our wonderful helper, Brandon. And Brandon, say hi.
Hi.
All right. So that's our science for this week. And I hope you have a great night. All right. Bye-bye.